This October, RAFT proudly partnered with Berryessa Union School District to deliver a dynamic week of hands-on STEAM learning during the Intersession break at Northwood Elementary. From science experiments to creative design challenges, students explored, built, and discovered in a fun, engaging environment that encouraged curiosity, teamwork, and innovation. Our Intersession curriculum, entitled Living World, focused on active, project-based learning journeying from the basics of biodiversity through the major kingdoms of life: microbes, plants, and animals. The students didn't just learn, they became scientists who identified the characteristics that define life and biodiversity, classified organisms into different kingdoms, designed and prototyped animal habitat enclosures, applying their knowledge of biotic and abiotic factors, and explored how all living things, including humans, must work together through concepts like symbiosis and environmental stewardship. At RAFT, we believe that every student deserves hands-on learning opportunities that spark creativity and confidence. Our Intersession camps bring the joy of discovery directly to schools, helping districts expand learning beyond the traditional classroom.
So I made this turtle. He's Mr. Turtle. And it was really fun to make him, and my favorite part of this fall camp was that you got to make things and learn about science along the way.